Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Espresso 20 bar professional espresso that this brand sent to me for this video. I tried it already once and I really like it. I have to say that one of the things that makes this one to be one of the good ones for your kitchen, for your house, for the office, or for your, let's say that you have a small business or something like that, you want to take this one with you to that place, it could be really good because number one, it is super easy to use. Number two, it has a stainless steel body, meaning this is going to be super easy to use and also super easy to clean. Number three, it also comes with a frother right here on the side, so you will be able to do the steamer with the milk. And number four, it has a really comprehensive and easy to use touchscreen over here where you can do a long coffee, espresso, a double espresso, a cold espresso, and then you can do the steam as well. Let's actually take a closer look and then put it to a test. So a few things about this one. This is going to have a water tank on the back. So once you fill it up to the max right here, it's super easy to fill up. By the way, you just put the water over there and just put it on the back. Plug it in, power in, and that's going to be everything you will have to do in terms of the preparation. Then you're also going to find that you can take this one out to clean it, and not only that one, but this one as well, so you can clean both, which I think is really practical to have. Then you can put this one back, and then let me actually show you the panel over here. So here you have the touch control panel where you're going to have the power button, the espresso, the long, the steam or the frother, whatever you want to call it, double espresso, and the espresso cold. And everything is, as you can see over here, it's just like touch panel. Whenever you push this one, it's going to actually enter in preheating. And the other good thing is that it has kind of like a soaking technology. Soaking technology, what it's going to do is going to enhance the flavor of the coffee by avoiding to burn it. So that is actually really cool for the coffee lovers. And last but not least, you have two measurements. You have the main one, which is going to be a long shot or the regular shot. This is going to be how you're going to put it, just like this. And once you're done, it felt right, this one and this place over here. And then if not, you have the short espresso here as well, and the tamper, which is going to be for the coffee. Let's do one right now. So once you're done, we're going to lock this one up. It is locked right now. And we're going to set up the mug over here. We're going to hit the espresso. It's going to be on preheating, and then you're going to start pouring. There we go. Smells good. Smells really good. I don't know how, but it smells good already. And now, since this is a big mug, we're going to actually do a long one. And it's going to be a little bit more. Actually, it's going to be even more than a double espresso, but that is actually what we want in this big mug. So let's actually do it. I don't know about you, but this already looks really, really nice. I'm going to give it a sip. It's hot, but it's good, and that's worth it. So if you need a reliable, easy to use stainless steel with multiple options of espresso, long, cold, double espresso, even the steamer or frother, and really easy to clean as well, coffee maker, pressure coffee machine, better say, this one could be the one. Like it, I do recommend it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.